This video is brought to you by Pelican Water Systems. Love your water. Take 10% off whole house water systems and 40% off drinking and shower filters by clicking the link in the description below. Hey guys, Dave here with Remodel Media, and I got the opportunity to sit down with the new Southern California rep for Capital Range. Now, Capital Range products are great commercial grade appliances that you can put in your home. They have grills, they have stoves, they have cooktops, things like that. So stick around to the end to hear about a really cool promotion they have going on. Let's get into it.
The 36-inch self-cleaning Capital Range with open burners on top. This will have 25,000 BTU burners and an 8,000 BTU summer burner. This comes in either a 6-burner configuration, 4 burners, a grill like shown, or we can get it with a griddle instead. In the grill model, we're actually going to have little channels that go down here at an angle that will then drop into our grease reservoir. Can also be flipped over for a flat side, so you can actually sear directly on this if you'd like. Underneath that, we have our stainless steel encased briquettes. So if something were to fall on this, it's less likely to shatter these briquettes, and this will keep them in position and safe for longer. If I was to drop this, I'm less likely to break this into a million pieces. Underneath, we have our barbecue burner. And we use this on a lot of our barbecue grills. It's an 18,000 BTU grill underneath here for the burner. So internally, we have a rotisserie on all the self-clean models and dual fuel models. The manual clean doesn't come with this feature. This model shown is the self-clean. So we have our internal rotisserie as along with wheeled roll-out shelves as well in both the self-clean and the dual fuel option. Going back up top, however, the whole idea and concept of this is to be able to take the range apart and take the cooking surface to the sink versus taking the sink to the cooking surface. So if I wanted to do a quick clean, I could take these 25,000 BTU burners off, take them over, scrub them down, or if I wanted to get a little bit more in depth, I can actually take the entire top. Now this is a stainless steel top and people are always concerned about how to clean this. Well, it's a lot easier to do if you take it over to the sink and clean. From there, from a serviceability standpoint, it's very easy to work on. Our manual clean and our self-clean options will have no computers inside of them. So on the self-clean option here, we're not worried about burning up a board or any computers that we're going to have any issues with. Nice and clean setup underneath here. Not a spaghetti mess like some of the competitors that you see in the marketplace. And these do come apart relatively easy for service and maintenance. Easy access to the igniters, which is a serviceable piece over time.
Where are they made?
These are made in Santa Fe Springs, which is in Orange County, and it's just down the street from here. And we ship them out locally. We have several colors available as well. We can actually do a full RAL color on these units. And right now, until June 31st, we're doing a free promotion on 10 specific colors that will allow us to do a free color upgrade for the consumer.
Cool.
So for a free color upgrade, which is going on through June 31st, we'll have these 10 colors as a free upgrade for the front door and the bottom kick panel. No sides included. We don't do that. For the RAL chart, we're doing this as a $250 upgrade on any range or wall oven. Takes us about 4 to 6 weeks to special order in color, or generally about 2 to 4 weeks on a standard range for special order.
Nice. There you have it, folks. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to like and subscribe. And share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.